channel April Flower Arts. I'm Tushara. Today I'm gonna share with you my recipe for a very simple dessert recipe with bread, that is bread gulab jamun. This is an alternative to the conventional gulab jamun. You can make this with a very few ingredients that are readily available at home. Let's see what are the ingredients we need. You will need very few ingredients. Here I have taken 6 slices of white bread. You may make it even with brown bread. We have to make a dough out of this bread. For that I'll be using some milk. To make the sugar syrup, I'll be using 3/4 cup of sugar and a green cardamom for flavor and 1.5 cups of water. The bread jamuns are a little harder than the normal ones, so if we make very thick syrup, it won't be able to penetrate the jamuns, hence I'm making a very thin sugar syrup. In the first step, we will make the sugar syrup. For that I have taken water in a pan. Into that I'll add all the sugar and then just open the cardamom and add it in. In the second step, we will make a dough out of the bread. For that I'll just tear the bread slices into small pieces, just like so. To that I'll add an additional ingredient, that is a teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. This makes very soft gulab jamuns and also gives a very nice flavor. So now we'll start preparing the dough by adding very little milk at a time. We need to make a stiff dough. So in this way I have made a stiff dough just so that the bread comes together. I ended up adding approximately 1/4 cup of milk. So the sugar syrup has come to a boil. Now I'll reduce the heat to a minimum and let it simmer. I have also kept the oil for heating up for deep frying the gulab jamuns. The third step is to divide the dough into small portions and roll it between your palms to make smooth gulab jamuns. In this way I'm gonna roll out the remaining dough. Alright, I have rolled out all the dough. With this you can make around 10 to 12 depending on the size. They have a diameter of approximately 1 inch. So the next step is to fry the gulab jamuns. Make sure that the oil is at medium to low. Fry the gulab jamuns until they have got a uniform golden brown color all over. For that, make sure to flip them around once in a while. Alright, the jamuns have got a very nice golden brown color. So now it's time to take them off the oil. Take them onto a tissue towel to soak up the excess oil. So don't let the jamuns cool down. Immediately add them into the sugar syrup. For this recipe you need to boil the jamuns in the sugar syrup for about 3 to 4 minutes. So just cover the pan and let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. So after about 4 minutes, we'll switch off the stove and let the jamuns soak in the sugar syrup for about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, the jamuns were soaking the sugar syrup for about 10 minutes now. They have beautifully soaked up the syrup and become very soft, and they have also increased in their size. So I'm gonna serve it in a dessert bowl. So this is how it looks from the inside. So the sugar syrup has soaked in and it's really very soft. So if you find that it's still a little hard, you can soak for a longer time. So this was my recipe for bread gulab jamun. This is a simple alternative to the regular gulab jamuns. Do give it a try and let me know your comments and suggestions. And if you like this recipe, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.